Get on the anchor. Okay, hey, it's me, Mickey, your best friend on the internet, and Salamat malam, Salamat datang, Salamat siang. Friends or girls, Nona released a dance video of HONK, so we're gonna watch it together right now. And if you haven't seen my iconic HONK reaction video, then you can go watch it after this, but let's go. In my comment section of a previous video, you guys are telling me about Telalet and I saw it, it is so funny. Get on the ANKKOT. Whoa, is this like at the actual bus terminal? Look at her. What? Hey yo! I love that it's just like too hot in Indonesia. In Indonesia, it is too hot. Go. Get on the ANKKOT. Beep beep. I have a feeling this is actually at the bus terminal. Beep beep. What? Try. Make it. Die. They. No, and A. Can play. Damn, the way Christy like slapped her ass, girl. And license plate. What? What? Oh. Oh. Get on the ANKKOT. Yeah. Don't you just love like the driving choreography and then they like follow each other around driving, like each one of them is like a tuk-tuk. Beep beep. Yeah. Get on the ANKKOT. Yeah. I love it how I feel like Nona just turned up on this bus and started dancing and they didn't tell anybody around them. They're just like busking next to the bus, right? Wait, there's those silver guys. What? Are they the silver guys that just like they stand still and then you put like money in the box, right? Are they them? Get on the ANKKOT. What? This looks like it's like actually at the bus terminal. This is so crazy. This is so Indonesian. That's what I love about Nona. Nona, they're not afraid to be Indonesian. They want to like spread Indonesia around the world, you know. They're getting on the ANKKOT. Oh, I'm gonna go on a bus tour around Indonesia. What? Ah, friends, it was so fun. Oh, you know, Nona always isn't afraid to bring a little bit of Indonesian spice to, you know, the world. And I want to go on an ANKKOT now. Anyway, friends, terima kasih. Thank you so much for watching Nona with me again. Love watching Nona videos with you. So friends, if you love Nona, subscribe. I'll put a link down to my Nona reaction video down below for you. But most importantly, keep smiling, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. It won't be too far away. Bye.